I bought this Titan 2-in-1 extendable pole, strimmer and saw from Screwfix. It came as a full set. I'm just trying to get away from using steps and ladders in the garden where I can, because I have got some pretty high bushes now and some big conifers. The head on this does turn, it goes all the way to 90 degrees, so getting the top of the hedges and that, this was quite useful for that. One thing I will say is they do provide a strap that can go around your body. It didn't really work. It's definitely missing an extra handle like you have on the more expensive models, because you do get arm ache after a while. The head's just a little bit too heavy. That's my only criticism really on the actual hedge trimmer part itself. But as you can see, you can get it up to a fairly decent height. Let's have a look what comes in the box then. So in this set you get the 18-volt battery and the charger, the saw attachment, strimmer attachment. Unfortunately in the box, which was a bit of a letdown, it didn't come with any chainsaw oil, so I just bought some cheap no-nonsense oil to go along with it. Just make sure you keep that topped up. Putting the pole together was relatively straightforward, and to be honest, once it's all locked in together, it feels pretty solid. That's where you can extend the height out on the pole. Putting the attachments on the end of the pole, again, it's relatively straightforward. There's a little metal pin that goes inside a little hole on there, which you just press to push in and to pop back off. Again, just showing you there that you can angle the head to your desired position that you'd like. Battery just pops in. Battery lasted quite well. I managed to get the whole back garden done, trimmed up all my conifers and the bushes, all in one charge. It's pretty simple to remove. Just untwist the locking nut again, push the pin in, pull it out. So I did swap it onto the saw. Unfortunately, I didn't really have a lot I wanted to saw down during the video, you know, in my garden. One thing I will say, it's only really good for very small branches. It wouldn't do anything bigger than that. It was quite clunky, and just make sure you keep it full of the oil, because it did run out very quickly as well. Quite messy, to be honest. Would I buy it again? No. And if I did, if I already had a battery, I'd just spend the 50 quid and I'd just buy the bare pole with the strimmer attachment. That's my honest opinion. I did use the saw to try and cut a branch that was only about 10mm thick. It did go through it, but it did take a while. Anyway, on that note, thanks for watching guys. This is the one I purchased.